AI startups are innovating across sectors with LLM-powered solutions. Many businesses already have well-established applications. How would one approach reimagining an existing app with an AI focus? And crucially, how does the LLM typically integrate into an already existing technology stack?
So this is a big thing that is happening all over sort of the industry, and I think will continue to happen after, every year and every couple of months, where more and more existing technology will need to be, updated with AI, just so because so much of what the technology is supposed to be doing can be now done more effectively with AI. So the key approach would be, I think, first understanding specific areas within an existing app where AI can deliver significant measurable value. What is it that AI can help an app do better? Is it improving the user search? Is it automating the workflow? Is it enhancing personalization? Uh, or for example, an e-commerce platform might aim to boost conversion rates through smarter product recommendations, or a healthcare system might seek to streamline patient data entry. Once you have that, you need to critically assess the quality and the quantity and accessibility of your existing data, which you can then go through and feed into the LLM. This often would include significant work in data cleaning, normalization, potentially labeling the data to ensure it's suitable for AI training or inference. Uh, for many established applications, leveraging pre-trained LLMs via their API, so from providers like OpenAI, Google, or Anthropic, is often the most efficient starting point. And this can allow companies to do rapid prototyping and deployment with minimal disruption to their existing architecture. And I think the key thing really has to be that the existing business has to take a step-by-step approach, figure out, okay, what's one thing where we can have our data being understood, processed a lot more efficiently, like sort of low thinking tasks that we might think like 3 years ago a human would be needed to do, and because we couldn't really afford to have a human do those tasks, we don't really need to, we didn't solve those problems. Now we can throw AI at that specific task and build a function. But I think if you're an existing application, it's probably best to take chunks of your existing service and slowly, use AI and make sure that the chunk that you are tackling is able to be done well and is able to add value to your end customers, and then just scale it from there. Versus if you are a startup, then you might have a different approach and you might be thinking about building something with AI in mind from the scratch. So, but I think if you are an existing business, uh, it's probably valuable to use these APIs from OpenAI or Anthropic or Google and tackle a small chunk of your bigger application and AI-fy it before you sort of tackle the next chunk and take that from a step-by-step approach.